Hey, what's good, family? Manuel here. Today, I'm going to show you how to set alerts on TradingView so that you can stop staring at your charts all day. Because let's be honest, we all have lives to live outside of trading, and setting alerts lets you do just that. Once you have your key levels marked up, you can step away from the screen and go about your day and only come back when the alert says, hey, it's time to check in on this stock. Another plus is TradingView actually integrates with a lot of different trading platforms to make the process a lot smoother. So if you like what you hear, keep watching. And just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Moomoo. You can actually set alerts in Moomoo as well by clicking on the bell icon in the middle at the bottom, clicking add alerts, and you have all these conditions right here as well. And at the time of this recording, when you sign up using the link down below in the description, Moomoo is offering up to $1,000 in NVIDIA stock, as well as an 8.1 APY on all your uninvested cash. So if this sounds good to you, if you're interested in this or the alerts, be sure to sign up for Moomoo down below in the description. All right, so here we are in TradingView. And as you can see, there is a lot going on my chart. I got these three kind of lines. If you aren't familiar with them, these are called EMAs. These are something I like to sometimes be alerted when we get across of. So I like to set alerts on those. Also, we have these horizontal lines right here. And then also, if we zoom out and look right here, we also have a trend line I drew. So yeah, real quick, I'm going to show you how you can set alerts on those. And yeah, even down here, we have the RSI. I'll show you how you can set alerts for that. So it's actually really simple. All right, so going on, taking a look at it, we have this purple EMA right here. It's important to know what EMA it is. So this is going to be the 200 EMA that I have set. If you don't know how to set up these indicators or whatnot, be sure to check out this video. It's how I set up my TradingView. Helps you. You should be able to figure out how to set it up to your liking just from watching that. All right, but I'm gonna right click on this right here. I'm gonna hit add alert on EMA. And then it's going to allow me to kind of set whatever alert I want. So right here, notice you can see it says condition, EMA, close, whatever. What I'm going to want to do is come down to where it says value down here. I'm going to grab this and I'm going to make sure this lines up with whatever EMA I want it to close for. So right now it's going to be the 200 close. I'm on the 15-minute time frame. So it's going to be the 200 EMA for the 15-minute chart. And what's really cool about this is I can set this on my computer and get an alert for it on my phone. In order for me to set that, I can just hit create and then it's created. Another thing you might run into, pay attention, because this is the 15-minute chart. Maybe I want to be alerted whenever it crosses the 200 on the 4-hour chart. So if I want to do that same thing, I'll click on the 4-hour. And the 200 is down here, so I will right click, add alert on EMA, click on where it says value, and then I'll have 200 close, and notice it says the 4-hour. Now you can always, instead of specifically going to that time frame, you can come down here and do it. If you want on minutes, you can click here and do that, or seconds. But yeah, that's going to be how you do that. All right, the next thing that I like to do is, this one actually just went off a moment ago, but is add them on just horizontal lines. So if I want to do that and have it on this level, is I already have an alert set for this. It's already just went off, but if I hit edit alert, or let's say actually I come over here and I create another one like that, I can right click it, similar to how I just did with the EMA, hit add alert on horizontal ray. And once again, it is going to be kind of time frame specific. What you can do is you can do crossing up. You can have it where you only care about it crossing either direction, only crossing up, only crossing down, greater than a certain level. You can set those if you want. But yeah, I just have it on this horizontal ray. And that is something you can do. Another one I like to do is RSI. So let's say we'll right click on the RSI area, hit add alert on RSI. And right here where it says regular bullish divergence, I like to do either greater than or less than. And what I like to do is, if it is less than, usually if it's less than 30, it's oversold, and I want to know about that. So if it's oversold on the 4-hour, I'll do that. I'll hit create, and now I have an RSI alert if the SPY gets oversold. Usually it's a pretty good time to buy a call, so that just helps alert me like, hey, I might want to buy some calls. It's a good time. RSI is oversold. So that's another one right there. All right, so we've gone over how to set it for the RSI, EMAs. You can also do it on the trend line. So right here, I got this line right here. If I wanna, I already have an alert on it. But yeah, it's pretty much going to be the same thing. You can see, shows trend line. Just pick whatever you want it to be for you. Choose that right here. Choose your condition, and then you hit save. As long as you're logged into the same account on your TradingView app on your phone, as well as this one here, it's going to work out. You are going to get that alert on your phone, should you have your alerts turned on your phone. Now let's see how to do this on your phone. All right, now here we are in TradingView. What I'm going to want to do is click on the chart section down at the bottom. And then let's say I want to set an alert. The intersection of where these are is where my thumb is. And if I want to set an alert, pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's say I want to make a line. I've clicked on the blue highlighted tool on the top left. And if I want to create a level, let's say I want to make it up here. I can click on that and it's right there. If I want to move it, I can take it and move around. I love the way they kind of made the app. It actually makes it easy to use on your phone. But anyways, when we click on the item, you'll notice down here, there is this black thing moving in the screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the 3 dots. I'm going to click on add alert on horizontal ray. And then you pretty much see the exact same thing you saw online. So if I want to, I can hit create. I'm not actually going to create because I don't care about that level, but it would set the same thing. If I want to get rid of this, I can click on it, and then I can click on the trash can logo. And the same goes down here for the RSI area. And real quick, just to show you what the notifications look like, I'm actually going to take this, set an alert right here because I know it'll go off. I'm going to add an alert. I'm going to hit create. And right there at the top, that is what it looks like when a TradingView alert goes off. So, it's really as simple as that. And it's really cool that no matter where I am, as long as I have cell service, I can execute right here on my phone. And there you have it. Now you can let TradingView do all the watching for you, and you can get on with living your life. Whether you're spending time with family, working on projects, in the gym, living life, however you live life. With this, you'll only get an alert whenever it's time to take action. If you found this video to be helpful or learn anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content. And last, but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.